Hello everyone! Welcome back to my vocabulary enrichment series. Today's root word is endo, which means within or inside. This root word comes from Greek word endon, which means inside. Many English words are formed from this root word or used especially in the science and describing things that happen within the body or inside a system. So, whenever you see the word like endocrine, endoscope, or endogamy, remember that they are all related to the idea of something internal or within. In this video, we will explore several words formed from this root word and understand their meaning with some example. Without any delay, let's begin our learning. Endocardinal. Endocardinal. The literal meaning of endocardinal is within the heart. The word cardio means heart. The meaning of endocardinal relating to the internal lines of the heart. For example, the doctor examines the endocardinal tissue carefully. Endochrome. Endochrome. The literal meaning of endochrome is inner color. Meaning of endochrome is the internal pigment of a cell, and also endochrome use rare usage word. For example, the scientists study the endochrome of an organism. Endocrine. Endocrine. The literal meaning of endocrine segregating within. Meaning of endocrine glands that release hormones inside the body. For example, the thyroid is a part of endocrine system. Endogamy. Endogamy. The literal meaning of endogamy, marrying within a group. Meaning of endogamy, the practice of marrying within a specific social group. For example, some cultures follow endogamy as a traditional. Endoparasite. Endoparasite. The literal meaning of endoparasite, a parasite within a body. Meaning of endoparasite, a parasite that lives inside its host. For example, tapeworm is an endoparasite found in the humans. Endogastric. Endogastric. The literal meaning of endogastric within the stomach. Meaning of endogastric relating to the inside of the stomach. For example, the doctor checked the endogastric condition of the patient. Endoscope. Endoscope. The literal meaning of endoscope is instrument to look within. The word scope means to see. Meaning a device used to examine the inside of the body. For example, the doctor used the endoscope to examine the stomach. Endostele. Endostele. The literal meaning of endostele within the bone. Meaning relating to the inner surface of a bone. For example, the injury affects the endostele layer. Endothermy. Endothermy. The literal meaning of endothermy, heat within. Meaning the ability to maintain body heat internally. For example, bird shows endothermy maintain constant body temperature. Endotoxin. Endotoxin. The literal meaning of endotoxin is toxin within. Meaning a toxin released inside the body from a bacteria. For example, the infection released an endotoxin into a blood system. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.